So, precious viewers, I'm just arriving at Karen waterfront of this fence right here. This is the Karen waterfront, and I just found there's a furniture store that had just caught fire. It was ablaze, and see, everything in there has literally been burnt down. They only managed to salvage a few pieces of furniture. Up ahead you can see there's hay for the horses. Yeah, and so the population around here, they're the ones who had come actually to try help in saving the situation. If you know this point, when you come from Karen Junction, you apply this route and then you meet a junction here, then to the left you go, you find Karen Junction. Confirm. That's your reporter, the Street Warden Adventures. See you in the next video. Oh, we have the NMS Nairobi fire. They are responding right now. So there's commotion here, and a mixture of more emotions and reactions from the general public. They took long in responding, and that's why half of the crowd is asking where were they. They took long. Some of them, they're supporting their arrival. Far right behind you can see there's an ambulance that's flowing close by, and so it's trying to make their way in here. But anyway, the fire is out and there's nothing much to salvage. It's an emergency, an emergency wagon, confirm. Awesome, and so the fire brigade, the fire team, they're right there, just trying to contain the situation. I have a few men in uniform around here. They're trying to cordon the crowd. The extent with which it has damaged, it ain't a big deal, and because as you can just see at the far end of those metallic iron sheets, that's the end of the building. Behind there, there's nothing much. The general public has decried as regard the response time, the time with which they've responded. They took long. Confirm. Over to you.